Jyoti's Crochet World. Today I'm here once again with my new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do the fillet technique, the crochet fillet technique. This is the mat that I have made by using crochet fillet technique. So it gives a beautiful pattern like this. So you can make like this. I will show you the basics how to do that. Okay, so basically I have you have to download any chart picture from internet, or you can create it yourself as a cross stitch, and I have got it printed. Better you have to get it printed, and then see there are symbols which are on the picture. Okay, so every symbol has a meaning. If I show you these vertical lines, every vertical line is a double crochet stitch. Every X in between vertical line is two double crochet stitches. Okay, so if I start from here, it is one double crochet stitch, then X, that means two double crochet stitches, and then another lines, vertical line. This is one double crochet stitch. Okay, so once you do it, if you are having these kind of filled boxes means one double crochet stitch, and in between there are two double crochet stitch, and the last one, that is a combination of four double crochet stitches. Right, now you have empty boxes as well. So empty boxes means, as you can see over here, so there is a vertical line. Vertical line means one double crochet stitch, then there is a horizontal line. Horizontal line means two chain stitches. Okay, chain two, and then skip two stitches below that. X you have to skip. X means two double crochet stitches, you have to skip that, and on the third double crochet stitch after that you have to make one double crochet stitch, chain two, and one double crochet stitch by skipping two double crochet stitches below. Right, so likewise you have to do these empty boxes, and these filled filled boxes you have to do like that. One double crochet stitch and then X, that means two double crochet stitches, because there was a chain two space below. In chain two space you have to make two double crochet stitches. On the double crochet stitch you have to make one double crochet stitch. Please excuse me for my sore throat. I have a cough from some days, so that is why I am not able to speak clearly. Okay, so basically you have to get it printed and write down the number of rows. So if I start row number 1 from here, you have to make the chain stitches. Chain stitches means you have to count it. So every line, vertical line, is one chain, because you have to make double crochet stitches over here. So one chain is this, and then there is X, that means two chains, then one line is one chain. Like this you have to count it. For doing this pattern I have downloaded from internet and then got it printed. I counted it, I had taken 117 chain stitches. Right, so after making 117 chain stitches, I skipped 3 chain stitches from the hook. From the fourth chain I started making one double crochet stitch in each of the stitches. Right, row number 2 again start with chain 3 and make one double crochet stitch in each of the stitches. So this is just the basic one. Right, after that from row number 3 your basic pattern starts. So I have marked the rows. Row number 3 I have to start from here. Row number 4 I have to start from here. Row number 5 from this side, 6 from this side. So every time I make the row, I I have to I can get it checked that which row I have to follow. See, every corner there is a straight line, because every row will start with chain 3. So chain 3 will be considered as your first double crochet stitch. Then there is a X. X means two double crochet stitches, then vertical line, that is one double crochet stitch, X, two double crochet stitches, then again two, not in the same stitch, rather one on each. Right, so one in the last. So if I consider this pattern, on every side, on both the sides there are 7 double crochet stitches, including your chain 3, starting chain 3. Okay, so it will end with 7 double crochet stitches. In between there is a pattern. to give it a fillet impression, right? So you have to get it printed. Any kind of fillet project, you can get it downloaded from internet and get it printed. Why I am enforcing it on getting printed? Because being handy, your paper handy in your hand, it is very convenient to work with, because on screen it will get moved and you will lose the track where you were at that time. Okay, so I have marked it. Whatever row I was doing, I just marked it. For in one go I did up to 8 rows. I marked it over here, and then after in one go I do it till row number 60. This row starts from 1 to 60. Okay, so 60 rows are there, and 115 115 stitches, double crochet stitches in total this side, right? Now let me show you this mat over here also. The first 2 rows, sorry, this is from this side. This is the starting one. It started from here, 2 rows with 1 double crochet stitch in each of the stitches, right? So row number 3 I made chain 3 plus 6 double crochet stitches, and then after that I have made 2 chains and then skipped 2 double crochet stitches below. Let me focus it. Okay, so after making 7 double crochet stitches, I made 2 chains and then skipped 2 double crochet stitches below, and then on the third stitch made a double crochet stitch. Again there was a box, so empty box, that means 2 chains and then skipped 2 double crochet stitches below and 1 double crochet on the third stitch. So in this way you can get an empty box. And the filled boxes, double crochet on the double crochet, and on the chain space I have made 2 double crochet stitches and 1 double crochet on the other double crochet. So one box with X will be having 4 double crochet stitches in total. Okay, right? So this is the basic technique to do a fillet crochet technique, so fillet project. So you can make it. I have made this mat, table mat, rose table mat actually, with the help of Hobby India thread. So it's Ganga Hobby India thread. So, and I have used 1.75 mm crochet hook. The dimensions I am going to show you, that I have followed the chart and made accordingly. The dimensions are, lengthwise it is 17 inches. Okay, lengthwise it is 17 inches and widthwise it's almost 14 inches, almost 14 point something, 14 point something inches. Okay, so widthwise it is 14 and half, you can say, and lengthwise it is 17 inches, right? So if you are going to make this mat with the help of Hobby India thread, 1.75 mm crochet hook, this fillet project, this table mat is 17 inches by 14 inches in dimensions. Okay, so this table mat is done with the help of that thread. You can make with the yarn as well, but I'll suggest you to take a thin yarn or thin thread, means thread or thin yarn. Why? Because it will give a beautiful fillet this impression like this. These roses are separately visible. Yarn will be a bit thick, it will not give that much a beautiful look, right? So hope you like my video on making in teaching this beautiful fillet technique. So if you have any doubts, if you have any comments, please do write in the comment section, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every time I'll upload anything new. And thank you for watching the videos. Thank you once again.